Do you know the right way to floss your teeth with braces? You see, maintaining oral hygiene becomes even more vital when you have braces. They can become little traps for food and bacteria, leading to an unwelcome buildup of plaque and the risk of cavities. You might think regular brushing is enough, but it doesn't quite cut it. Flossing is the secret weapon in your arsenal for a healthy mouth. So, let's dive into the simple steps to floss your teeth with braces effectively. Before you start, gather your tools. You'll need a few essentials: floss threaders, waxed floss, and a good mirror. Floss threaders simplify threading floss behind your braces. Waxed floss is your best bet, as it's less likely to shred or get caught in your braces. And of course, a mirror to guide you along this journey of oral hygiene. These tools not only assist in effective flossing, but also ensure a smooth, hassle-free experience. With these tools at the ready, you can start the flossing process. Now, it's time to get down to the nitty-gritty of flossing with braces. Imagine for a moment that you're an explorer, charting a course through a jungle of metal wires and brackets. Your mission? To ensure every nook and cranny is free from the pesky debris of your last meal. Your tool? Dental floss. First things first, you'll need to thread the floss using a handy little device known as a floss threader. It's like the eye of a needle, guiding your floss through the labyrinth of your braces. Carefully insert one end of the floss into the threader, and then use the threader to guide the floss under the main wire of your braces. Once you're under the wire, it's time for the real adventure to begin. Gently move the floss up and down between your teeth, making sure to go as far beneath the gum line as you can without causing discomfort. Remember, you're not just cleaning your teeth, you're also protecting your gums, so be gentle. You don't want to cause any pain or damage to your braces. Once you've finished with one tooth, simply unthread the floss, and then repeat the process for the next one. Remember to use a fresh section of floss for each tooth to ensure you're not just moving the debris around. Remember, practice makes perfect. It may take some time to get used to flossing with braces, but it's worth the effort for a healthy, bright smile. So you see, flossing with braces doesn't have to be a daunting task. It's all about understanding the importance, having the right tools at your disposal, and following the steps meticulously. With daily practice, it becomes a breeze, and the reward? Optimal oral health, a dazzling smile, and no more pesky food particles caught in your braces. Remember, your smile is your superpower, and flossing is the secret weapon. For more dental health tips and tricks, especially for those with braces, visit our website smileswide.co.in. Keep smiling and keep flossing.